What up, YouTube? It's your boy G, back with another video. If you haven't yet, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Today we fixing to rotate the tires on the Chrysler. So I just pulled the jack out, jack stand, and yeah, that's what we about to do. So let's get to it. Boom. All right, we jacking the car up. I don't know why my phone keeps stopping. All right, we got the car up. I think that's good enough. Now, let's get these lug nuts off. All right, I got the sockets that we need. Let me loosen them up. If I'm not mistaken, it's gonna be a 21. Yeah, 21 millimeter. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. Now we need the key. Boom. Now we got the key. I hope the front is not as tight. Dang, I left the key over here. Yeah. Hey, what up, man? Figure that out. All right, lug nuts are getting loose. Boom, boom. Let me get this out here. Boom, we got one more right here. Take that off. Right here. Yeah. Y'all, I forgot I had this impact. I'm tripping. So whenever I was under the Mercedes-Benz and I couldn't get that bolt off, I could have used this. I don't know why I didn't think about this. All right, now we're gonna put this tire in the front, put that one in the back. So I'm gonna get with y'all when we get done doing that. All right, we're gonna put these tires back on. All right, that's it for that tire. Now, all right, now let's do this. Y'all, we missing some lug nuts. I think they're underneath here. There they go. 21. Can you do something, man? All right, they on there. They're not tight, but they're on there. Now let's do this one. All right, now, I probably didn't even catch that, but anyways, now we're gonna tighten them up. Oh, y'all, that's a wrap. That's a wrap on this side. Now we're gonna lower the car, then we'll get on the other side. Yeah, all right, y'all, let's move to the other side. Hit that. Boom. Good one. All right. Yeah. All right. All right, that's it for now because we're gonna loosen the lug nuts first. All right, now we can get the impact. Hit it with the impact. Damn, I left the key open. Y'all gotta be careful over here because there's a lot of poop on here. Not gonna lie, these feel so good. Do that. I ain't really gonna do it that. You just want to slowly get it in there. Force it. Bop, bop, yeah. Now let's go to the other side. All right, let's lower the car. Just a little bit, just so that we can tighten everything up. Boom. All right, gang, that's a wrap. Yep, tires rotated. Boom. Now let's lower this jack. Bank up. All right. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, gang. I'm gonna put everything up. Take this thing for a little spin, a little cruise, you heard? And I also gotta remember that the one with the patch is now in the front. So before I used to air up the back tire. Now I need to air up that front tire. All right, y'all, so tires are rotated. I just aired up all tires. Now, let's go for a little spin. It's not gonna be much of a difference at all, because all I did was rotate the tires, but yeah, let's just do that real quick. Also, I need to order my tea, so we can go pick up my tea too. Oh, all right. But y'all, the tires in the back were super bald. They were like really bald. I don't know, it may be a bad thing to put them in the front. Maybe you don't want to put them in the front. I don't know. Hopefully we don't slip and slide. Like, the ones in the back were bald and the ones in the front still had a little bit of tread on them, but we just swapped them around. So I don't know if it's worse to have bald tires in the back or bald tires in the front. Either way, I don't know. We're just trying to wear them out so that we can put the brand new ones on there. But yeah, man, we finna go get this food and test drive at the same time. So we out of here. Let's go do this.